Yes, students. Yesterday we learned about the basics of chapter number first rational number class 8. Today I am going to describe the question answer of exercise 1.1. So first question is using properties find the value of this. In this question we have three terms. First term, second term and third term. In first term and third term we have one common fraction 3 by 5. So we have to take together these two terms, minus 2 by 3, 3 by 5. Third term, we can pick third term and put it on second place and pick 5 by 2, put it in third place. Now these terms are taken together. In this step we use commutative property. Commutative property tells us if we change the numbers with the place, then answer is does not change. So we can change the place of 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. Now we take this common number out, take 3 by 5 out and remaining numbers put in bracket, minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Now we take LCM of these two numbers. LCM is 6. 6 is divided by 3, answer is 2, multiplied by 2 minus 4. 6 is divided by 6, answer is 1, multiplied by 1. So overall answer is minus 5 by 6. Now 3 by 5 multiply minus 5 by 6. We don't change 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is same. In third step we can use distributive property. So 5 is cancel out with 5, 3 is cancel out with 6, answer is 2, answer is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 5 by 2, answer is 4 by 2, then 2. In this we take LCM. Now second step, second question, first question second part, same question, just first term, second term, third term. In this question there is two numbers in second term. No problem, we can change the places of these terms. Third term comes on second place, second term goes to third place because in first term and third term there is a 2 by 5 common. There is a 2 by 5 common. So we can take together these two terms. Next you can try yourself. When we interchange the places of these terms, you will not change anything. You can pick these terms without any change. Not sign, not number. If in second term we have minus 1 by 6 multiplied 3 by 2, we can pick all these minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Next. Question number second. Write the additive inverse. Additive inverse is nothing, just change the sign. If you have positive sign, the answer is negative. If you have negative sign, the answer is positive. So first part, question is 2 by 8. So question is in positive, so answer is minus 2 by 8. Second part, question is minus 5 by 9. So question is in negative, so answer is plus 5 by 9. Additive inverse is nothing but just sign change. Positive to negative, negative to positive. Third part, minus 6 by 5 upon minus 5. So negative sign in both numerator and denominator, so minus is cancel out. Question is positive 6 by 5, so answer is minus 6 by 5. Clear? Question number 3. Verify that minus x is equal to x. We know that this is true, but we have to verify. So one part is x is equal to minus 13 by 7. Firstly, I can take minus on both sides because I want minus x. I can take minus on both sides. When we take minus on this side, so we have minus into minus 13 by 7. Answer is plus 13 by 7 because of minus minus plus. Now we take again minus because we need double minus. We can take again minus on both sides. Then this is positive 13 by 7, and now it can become minus 13 by 7, that is x. So our result is verified. It's the first part. Try yourself. Okay student, next question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. A multiplicative inverse is nothing, just reciprocal of the number. If you have question is 2, answer is 1 by 2. If you have question is 2 by 3, then answer is 3 by 2. So first part minus 13, so it's reciprocal. In this denominator is 1, so answer is minus 1 by 13. Just reciprocal the number. Just reciprocal the number. Fourth part minus 5 by 8 multiply minus 3 by 7. इसको डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स फाइंड नहीं किया जा सकता, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो मल्टीप्लाई करने में क्या बना, 8 इंटू 7 56, 5 इंटू 3 15, माइनस इंटू माइनस 15, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, सॉरी माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस. सो आंसर इज 15 बाई 56. सो आवर multiplicative inverse is 56 by 15. Just reciprocal the fraction. Last part minus 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1, because in multiplicative inverse we can take only reciprocal, और minus 1 का reciprocal क्या होता है, minus 1 होता है. सो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाकी के क्वेश्चंस जो भी पार्ट्स यहाँ पे सॉल्व नहीं किए हैं वो आपने खुद अपने आप करने हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. थैंक यू.